Hi, I'm George Einters, Applications Engineer here at PanDoit. Today we'll be talking with you about the new PatchRunner 2, our new vertical cable manager to be working with our 2-post and 4-post racks. It comes in both black and white color options. We will be showing you not only the features and benefits of the PatchRunner 2, but we will also be demonstrating how easy it is to install. Let's get started. The PatchRunner 2 comes pre-assembled in just a single package. That means the fingers, the framing, and both the front and the rear door comes in just one box. That makes it a lot easier for just a single person to complete the installation. The PatchRunner 2 is designed to be freestanding. It will avoid any tipping, causing unnecessary damage or possible injury. After aligning the PatchRunner 2 to the rack, it is PanDoit's best practice to remove the door. To remove the door, turn the 2 knobs to the outside direction. Removing the door will not only allow you better access into the vertical manager itself, but it will protect the integrity of the door. When installing the bolts, you will see there are EIA standard holes placed within the rack itself. The top location, the middle location, and the bottom location. When placing the 3 bolts, make sure that you tighten them only finger tight until after the 3rd bolt has been set. Then we will go ahead and tighten them to their fullest position using a crescent wrench and a drill. Once the bolts are adhered, it's time to replace the door. One unique feature of the PatchRunner 2 is its dual hinge door. A dual hinge door means I can open it up from the left or the right side. Notice the push to close feature when closing the door. I do not need to engage the handle to close this particular door. It's just push and close. I'm George Einters with PanDoit, and this is PatchRunner 2.